Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get easy slime in Minecraft. First, you'll want to identify a slime chunk in your world. These are special 16 by 16 block areas where slimes can spawn at any Y level below 40. You can use an online slime chunk finder by inputting your world seed. This step is crucial for building an efficient farm, as slimes only spawn in these specific locations. Knowing your chunk's coordinates saves a lot of time and effort. Once you've identified your slime chunk, the next step is to clear out the area. You'll need to excavate a 16 by 16 block space, digging down from Y level 40 to bedrock, or at least Y level 5. This creates a large open volume for slimes to spawn freely. Make sure to remove all blocks, including any water or lava, and keep the area completely dark. Darkness is essential for hostile mob spawning, including our bouncy friends. Now it's time to build the spawning platforms within your excavated chunk. Create flat, solid platforms, each 16 by 16 blocks, leaving 3 full blocks of airspace between each level. You can build several of these, typically starting from Y level 5 and going up to Y level 38. Remember to light up all surrounding caves and areas outside your slime chunk to ensure only slimes spawn inside your farm. This maximizes your slime ball yield. Finally, let's set up a collection system to gather all those valuable slime balls. A common method involves placing an iron golem in the center of your farm, protected by blocks, to attract the slimes. The slimes will pathfind towards the golem and fall into a collection chamber below. Use hoppers to funnel the dropped slime balls into chests. This automated system ensures you get a steady supply of slime with minimal effort, making your farm highly efficient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.